Welcome back. Thank you so much for following me along on this journey. Today I'm going to be talking about the Allure Beauty Box on Amazon. That is a beauty subscription service. I'm going to review the January box as well as talk about my experience with receiving the subscription over the last 7 months. Before we get started, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe and turn on your alerts so you know when I have a new video. I'm going to be sharing my life experiences downtown as well as some know-how and ways to save money. Okay, so I've been receiving the Allure Beauty Box for 7 months now. The January one was my 7th box and it has been amazing. It's one of the things that makes me feel really luxe, but it's definitely on a budget. It's $15 a month and you get truly top shelf beauty products in every box. It's usually about 6 or 7 products. And so far, you know, obviously not everything is gonna be perfect or the ideal product for your regimen or your skin color, but I'd say 9 out of 10 of the products that I've received I love, and at least half of them have become a part of my daily routine, so that's been really amazing. I have purchased a few of the products after the travel size or the sample has run out, and I can share that with you at a later date. So I love when I get my Allure Beauty Box. It comes in close to the beginning of the month and it's beautifully boxed in this like branded box that looks like a gift box. And you open it up and it's got confetti in it and it feels like a present to yourself. So I look forward to it every single month. This month though, it was a little bit different. It just came in a regular shipping box, and instead of being this like branded present, it came in this really cool compact bag, which I've been using every single day in my never full bag, like my little hand lotion and my headphones and an extra pair of contacts, and then I just plop this right in my never full bag, and it has been perfect. And it's just like, it's very stylish, you know, like it feels chic, so that's really great. Every month though, the box comes with this. It's just your guide to what's in the box, and it has a letter from the beauty editor at Allure magazine, and then description of every single one of the products that you've received, and the Allure beauty editorial team's recommendations on how to best use the products. So that's pretty great, super helpful, especially there's sometimes products that I get in that I don't even really understand what they are. So having that description and like, you know, recommended use for it is super helpful. So first we have this Mally, you see it? This Mally eyeshadow like crayon, and I'm actually wearing it right now so you can see it. It has been a game changer for everyday makeup because you literally just put it on, smudge it a little bit with your finger, and you're done. It's perfect shadow. You can build it up so that it does like a really smoky eye, or you can use it kind of as a liner just to emphasize your eyes. Probably be really beautiful if you have hazel eyes, but for me it just like, I literally put it on just like that and then smudge it out, and it has made my eyeshadow game go from like taking 5 minutes to literally 30 seconds. So huge fan of this. Next is the We Hair Care, and this is the scalp scrub. And I'll be honest, it smells insane. Like it smells so rich. Like I just like smelling it. But I guess I don't really understand how to use a scalp scrub, or maybe my hair is too thick or I have too much of it, because I really just felt like I didn't get it onto my scalp when I used it. But my hair smelled amazing afterwards. But I've also used their like leave-in conditioner spray that has the same scent. So I really didn't understand how to use this. My husband's been using it and he loves it. He feels like his head just feels brand new every day that he uses it. So I guess if you have short hair or fine hair, maybe it's a win. For me though, I just felt like it wasn't reaching my scalp. So, but again, I love their products and they smell so good. Next, there's the Sunday Riley. There it is. The Sunday Riley CEO Glow. It is a oil, and I'm sure you've seen on YouTube a lot of the beauty bloggers will have recommended use your serum, your moisturizer, and then in oil. And so I hadn't really tried that because I felt like maybe that was gonna be too many layers or my skin might break out or it could be too oily. But when I got this in, because it's a very dry oil and you can feel it when you put it on, it's a very dry oil, I decided to start using that as my daily routine. So I've been using my face serum, my moisturizer, and this oil on top underneath my primer and foundation. And I have to say that I am in love with it. Like even when I don't do my full face, I wear this because my skin feels plumper and more hydrated without being oily at all. So I'm a huge fan of Sunday Riley, but I love all of the products that I've used from Sunday Riley, so I wasn't surprised. What I was surprised by though is the size of this bottle. Do you see that? It's huge. I mean, this is a full half fluid ounce. I think it's the full size. And this is like, I mean, Sunday Riley products are like $100 to $200 a piece. So this was a big score in my mind for the January Allure Beauty Box. This is the Sunday Riley Retinol Cream. Because I'm pregnant, I'm not using it and I haven't tried it. And I probably won't because it's recommended that when you're pregnant or breastfeeding, you don't use retinol. I don't know why, but if they say not to do it, I'm just gonna follow that. So I don't know how it works, but I trust that it's probably pretty amazing. Again, I love the Sunday Riley products, and I haven't been able to talk my husband into wearing it, so I really don't know, but retinol creams are all the rage right now, so that gives you another idea of just kind of how on trend the Allure beauty boxes are. And then there is this Doke. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Anyway, it's a lipstick crayon, and it's what I'm wearing right now. And it is so easy to use. The color's a little bit darker than I would normally go. It's very like saturated berry. And the pencil itself feels very saturated, like the color just like really goes on there. You could probably build it up more, make it a little bit darker, or use less and have it be more of a stain. But it goes on really smooth and it feels good. Like it doesn't feel drying like a lipstick, but it's certainly not a gloss like a gloss. So I like it. I don't know if it's a color I would have chosen for myself, but that's one of the other things that I like about the Allure Beauty Box is that they'll send me stuff and I'm like, oh, I would have never bought that for myself. And then I put it on and I'm like, okay, all right, girl. Or, you know, like it's just another thing that I have now that gives me an option because I would have never picked a color this dark for my lips. Then now if I want to go for something sultry, now I have this color, you know? So it's an option, which girl doesn't love options, right? The last product is this Amika Soul Food, and it's like a deep conditioner that you put in while you're showering. So I have used it in place of my conditioner in the shower, and it smells so freaking good. Like, it's Oh, it just smells so good. It smells rich. Like it smells like a rich lady on Park Avenue. I don't know if that reference makes any sense to anyone but me. But it is amazing. It's a hair mask, they're saying. But again, I've been just using it as a conditioner in place of my conditioner and just leaving it on a little bit extra long. And my hair felt amazing afterwards. I don't know that it was really like life-changing amazing, but it felt good. It was definitely a good product. Like it didn't not do its job. But I have used hair masks or deep conditioners in the shower that I felt a stronger effect after using it. So it was good, wasn't amazing. So that was the January Allure Beauty Box. Super win. Not every single product is my favorite, but the bulk of them were great and I'm very happy. And even if you just get that like one gem, the cost of the box is less than it would be to buy it at Sephora. So no matter what, it's a win-win. I'm super happy with this box. I've been happy with every Allure Beauty Box that I've gotten. And again, for like the price and really feeling like a treat, like you've just received a gift at the beginning of every month, I think it's a win-win, especially after, you know, you pay rent and the car note and the electric bill, and then you're like, ugh. And then you get this box and it's pretty and it's filled with things that make you feel good about yourself. So I've been super happy with my experience. I hope that this helped you with, you know, thinking about these products or the Allure Beauty Box. And I'm just a huge fan of treat yourself and take care of yourself and love yourself, because mama can't run the world if she doesn't feel good. So make sure that you're taking the time to make yourself feel good every day. This was not a sponsored post.